nice to look out behind you.
Whether you enjoy an extraordinary view at Charles, a cocktail at Bar 601, or a great view from the observation deck, we hope your experience at Tower of the Americas was unforgettable. When we reach the ground, your tower experience isn't over. Check out our Skies Over Texas 4D theater experience and take a high-flying adventure over the Lone Star State. You'll take in the sights of Texas high school football's Friday Night Lights, and close and personal of the Bucking Bull at the rodeo, all without leaving your seat. Grab a snack, drink, or something sweet at the Tower Cafe, and bring home a San Antonio or Tower of the Americas souvenir from our expansive gift shop with a wide variety of memorabilia and collectibles. Tower of the Americas and Chart House Restaurant are operated by Landry's Incorporated. Be sure to try Landry's other dining destinations in the Element City, including Landry's Seafood at Rainforest Cafe on the Riverwalk, Morton Steakhouse at River Center Mall, and 5 Metro Saltgrass Steakhouse locations. Thanks for visiting. We hope to see you again soon.
The IMAX, so you go see the price of freedom.
And you wear little glasses and stuff.